All right, so I looked everywhere for a DragonTouch Vista 5, and they don't have them anymore. So I bought this DragonTouch version 3 Pro, which is supposed to be a 4K camera. So we're going to do an unboxing, but I'm going to tell you right now, I already took everything out of its plastic. So the unboxing is just going to be me pouring this stuff out onto my footrest here. That's what comes in the box itself. All right, if you want to look at the box, it's got some specs on it. It's got some, whatever. We don't really need this, do we? All right, so let's take a look and see what we got. All this is the junk that always comes with the camera. The most important thing, you're gonna need these batteries. But the camera comes in a waterproof case. To open the case, you pop this back. It just kind of springs open. It's got this that supposedly protects it from getting water in there. And then you can pop it out. Now, this is supposed to be a touch screen, so that'll be interesting. But if you notice, this looks just like almost every other one of those cheap, cameras that you can purchase. It's probably made in the exact same factory. But this is called a Vision 3 Pro. It's supposed to be, a better type of, sports camera, and we're going to try it out. Now, if you notice on the bottom, they've got this little thing that you can hook it to a tripod, which is kind of cool, or a selfie stick. And this looks just like every single other camera that I've ever bought. So let's go ahead and open this up, which I believe we just got to pop it here. And it opens, yep. And then sometimes these are already charged. So let's go ahead and stick one in and see if it's charged. Pop it in like that. And then to put this back in, the side with the hole in it goes towards the left side of the camera when it's facing you. Shove that down. I think you just got to pop it in there. Bam. Now let's see if it's got any charge in it. So we're going to press this and hold it. Yep, got some charge. I can see a light. There it is. So this is the version 3 Pro, and it's supposed to be a touchscreen. So we're going to try it out. Select camera mode. Video recording, 2.3. Let's go ahead and try that out. Let's go to settings. Slide down to enter shortcut menu. Switch modes. Press shutter button. Okay, so here's the cards that you can use with it. So we can go up to 128 gig card, which is pretty cool. I'm going to probably use a 64 card. Scan the QR code, download the camera app. I'm not going to do that. Enjoy your Vista Pro. I'm just going to go ahead and, because I've used so many of these that I pretty much can figure it out. Okay, cool. All right, so here we are. We're shooting 4K, 30 frames per second. I haven't got a card in it yet, so if I press this, it's probably going to tell me that. Yeah, see, no card detected. So that's that. All right, so it looks like it looks pretty good. We've just got to try it out and see if we like it. It says 4K Ultra HD, but we're going to find that out. All right, so anyway, when you're on video, whoops, oh, here somehow we got into the. We can change the resolution here, but I'm not going to do that right now. Sound recording, I got that on. Time lapse, that's off. All right, so let's see what else there is in here. What I want to do is get rid of the timestamp, if I can find it. Let's go to settings again. So let's go here. Exposure, housing mode, white balance. Date stamp. I'm going to get rid of that. That way you don't have the, the date on there. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and get out. And all I got to do is put a card in here and we can try it out and see if we like it. All right, these are all the accessories that come with the Vision 3 Pro. You get 2 of these batteries with our lithium batteries. You get a charge port. You can see the USB. And you get a USB cord that comes with that. It also comes with this wrist attachment for, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, whatever you want to call it. If you click this, it takes a picture. You click that, it does video. And I've never used this because I just set the thing and let it run. This is like a handlebar clamp that you can put on. All these attachments work this way. You slide them in and then you put your screw in there, just like this one is right here, you see. Let me just unhook it for you so you can see how it works. So these go in, and there's a little bolt here that it screws into. And so you can hook all these doodads up to, you know, you can make a whole daisy chain of these things if you wanted to, you know what I mean? Anyway, it comes with all those. This is for a tripod or a selfie stick, and you would connect your camera to it, like with this. See how this one's got this attachment on the bottom? This would slide right in there, and you could attach it on there. It comes with this extra door that's open here, so you can hear sound, get better audio. Here's another selfie stick or tripod mount. And then you get a couple more of these arms. These things are kind of useless, I think, because they're really hard to, I mean, this is super hard to get in. There we go, got it in. And you know, that you can put it on a surfboard or on a wall or whatever. It's got the sticky thing on the back that you put down. And then again, you know, you hook your camera in here. You're using the same kind of idea. It comes with this waterproof case. Once you put the camera in here, you can shut it like that and take it underwater. You could use it on a surfboard with this, unhook this, and then you can put it on any one of these attachments, you know, put it on the handlebars of your bike, whatever. And that's pretty much everything that comes with it. It does have a 2-year free warranty. You want to, you know, if you want to do that. I usually lose mine by then. And this is a quick start guide that you can, you know, shows you how to get everything squared away. You can get an app for it too if you want. You know, it shows you how to put the battery in and all that. But we're going to make some videos on how to use this thing anyway. But that's all the junk that comes in the box, plus the camera. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Pirish out.